Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this pizza cutlet recipe. That's correct. You're going to make a pizza cutlet. It's super delicious, super easy to make, and the kids will love it. They would love it with any kind of veggies you can stuff in or even the meat. I'm going to show you both the types of cutlets that how I'm going to prepare. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe below. I have 2 videos every week. Let's get started with this beautiful and unique recipe. To start off, here I have 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. We wanted to cook the vegetables first. Here I have 1 medium sized onion finely chopped, 1 medium orange pepper finely chopped. You can use any kind of vegetable here. You don't have to follow the same thing that I'm using. You can use carrots, mushrooms, any kind of vegetable that is available to you. 1 medium green pepper that is finely chopped and 1 medium tomato finely chopped without any seeds in it. We don't want any seeds in here. And 1/4 cup of corn. You can use peas, corn. I'm using frozen corn, but if you have fresh corn, that is also fine to use. Now let's go ahead and cook the vegetables right now. I'm going to add the onions first, and I'm going to saute this until it is nice and golden brown. You don't have to cook them until it's nice and brown, deep brown. Just as you see, it's nicely translucent, and that's fine. At this point, I'm going to add the corn because the corn is frozen, so I want to make sure the water is all evaporated. We don't want any kind of liquid in here. And to this, I'm going to add all the vegetables. As I said earlier, you can use carrots, you can use mushroom, you can use celeries, you can use any kind of, even the cabbage, you can use anything that you like to, but just make sure it's all finely chopped and you don't have any kind of water in it. Now here I have 1 tablespoon oregano. If you don't have that, you can skip it. That's totally fine. Salt as needed and pepper as needed. Now we are going to cook the vegetable only for 5 minutes on a medium high heat. We don't want to overcook the vegetable. At the same time, we don't want the vegetables to be too crunchy, not cooked through. Here I have 1/2 cup of pizza sauce, or you can use a ketchup or combination of both. Now I'm going to add that to the vegetables and cook them for another 3 to 4 minutes until the sauce is well combined and there is no more water or any kind of liquid in the vegetables. Now let it cool down completely. Here I have 4 large potatoes completely mashed without any lumps. To this I've added salt, pepper as needed, or chili flakes as needed, 1 tablespoon of oregano. 1 teaspoon of oregano. Now make it a nice and smooth dough. Now the vegetable is cooled down completely. I have a cheese here, half a cup of mozzarella and 1/2 cup of cheddar cheese, white cheddar cheese. You can use any kind of cheese of your choice. Now I'm going to take a nice big size ball. You can actually make big, medium, or small. That's totally up to you. I'm going to make a little bigger than medium size. Now I'm going to flatten up. As you can see, I flatten up and make a small well in between. And to this, I'm going to add the cheese first, and to that I'm adding on top the vegetable stuffing, and again I'm adding the cheese. Now go ahead and nicely press it as you fold the potatoes together so that you don't have any kind of openings in any corner. So go ahead and give it a quick nice shape, round shape without any opening. As you can see, it's nicely done. At this point I'm going to press it down slowly. Now don't worry about the sides. As you press down, it'll open up, but you can actually fix it. As you can see, it's nicely done. It's all fixed up. Now I'm going to place it in the plate. Now I'm going to show you guys how to make the chicken version. Here I have a cooked chicken and I've finely chopped it. I'm going to mix some of the vegetable mixture that we prepared earlier and go ahead and combine them together. Now again, the same process, make it a flat, nice and flat, and a small well in between your palm, and cheese first and the chicken stuffing, and on top of that we are going to add the cheese again. Now go ahead and fold it nicely. As you can see, I'm just pressing it down as I fold it, so that way it's easy for you to fold it. You might feel it's kind of a little difficult in the first time you make it, but don't worry about it. You will get hang on it. It's so easy. As long as your potato is nicely cooked, it's so easy to make a shape out of it. Now I'm going to again continue to do the shaping, and once that is done, I'll continue to do the rest of this. We will go ahead and do the second process. As you can see, I've made a couple of them, and also the smallest one to show you can still make a smaller one. Here I have 1 cup of breadcrumbs, homemade one, and 2 large eggs nicely beaten, and half a cup of all-purpose flour. Now I'm going to take the patties, the cutlet patties, and then coat it with the all-purpose flour first. Coat it generously so that it's all coated well, all sides, and take off the excess flour. Now add it to the egg mixture. Make sure you coat the egg mixture nicely with the patties, and now it goes to the breadcrumb. Use your wet and dry hand separately so that way you don't have any wet and dry mixed together. Now I prepared all the patties. Now we are going to go and fry them. I'm going to shallow fry them. Here I have oil for shallow frying. I'm using quarter of a cup. You can, depending on your pan, you can use more or less. Now I'm going to add this patties, the cutlets, into the oil and cook them for 4 minutes each side, because we have cooked everything. All that we need to is just brown them from outside. Now I'm going to just flip it over, and now once that is done, I'm going to remove it. You can drain the excess oil in the paper towel if you would like, and I'm going to continue to do this same with the rest of the cutlets that I got. Now you want to make sure you cook them on a medium high heat. You don't want to cook them on a low heat. Medium high heat is the best way. It's still hot. I'm going to just show you guys. Look at that, so cheesy. There is chicken and vegetables, and this is the vegetarian that I prepared. So beautiful, so beautiful. It's nice and crispy from outside and nice and gooey from inside. There is no way the kids would not eat that. This is one of the best recipe that you should try this, and your kids will love it. Even you would love it. They're so delicious. Please let me know in the comment below what you think of the recipe. And if you like my channel, please don't forget to subscribe below, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys and stay safe. Bye.